first grade. I'm Miss Talbert, and in case you don't know who I am the district math coach for Life School. And today I am so excited to be here with you to talk about classifying and sorting 2D shapes. And so what does it mean to be a 2D shape? Well, that means that it is flat. It doesn't take up space. It's a flat shape. Okay, now that we talked about what 2D is, I want to talk to you about some other important vocabulary words. And some of these you might have done last year in kindergarten. Some of these might be brand new to you. So I want to make sure you understand. All right, the first one, whoa, that's a big word right there. And the word is quadrilateral. And that just means that it has four sides. It's a four-sided figure. So what I would love for you to do right now is I would like for you to push pause on the video. So you need to pause this video and you can write down this vocabulary word and definition because it's going to help you to do your work this week on the District Distance Learning website. So please push pause, and if you need help, just go get somebody, an adult, to come and help you push pause on the video. Okay, I hope you were able to push pause so you could write that important word and definition down. If not, don't worry. You can always rewind this video and look at it again, okay? The next vocabulary word I have to talk to you about is vertices. And those are just the corners of a shape. So for example, looking at this square, these would be our vertices. And in this case, it would have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. And guess what, guys? It's also a quadrilateral because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How awesome! Okay, so now what I'd like for you to do is push pause again and copy down this word, vertices, and its definition, corners, please, okay? Okay, I hope you were able to pause and write that down. The next word I want to talk to you about today is congruent. And congruent just means same. Congruent just means same. So let's talk about that real quick. Let's look at the square again. So looking at this square, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and all of the sides are the same length. So we could say that it has 4 congruent sides. These are some fun new words, huh, first grade? Okay, so now what I would like for you to do is please pause this video and write down congruent equals same so that you'll have it to do all of your work this week. Okay, I hope you're able to write that down. Now, let's start classifying and sorting some shapes. I have some fun ones right here. So let's look at this. If I was going to classify and sort, the great thing is there's so many different ways you can sort these shapes. So let's think about what we could do now. I think I would like to sort by number of sides. Now let's talk about that. I'm gonna move them over just a little bit. Man, this one's right there, it's pretty big. I'm gonna put a little line down the middle, and I'm going to have to think, how could I classify and sort these by number of sides? Let's think here. Let's see, do we see any that have any in common? Let's see here. Let's look at my shapes right here. So I have a triangle, and that has 1, 2, 3 sides, and it also has 3 vertices, 3 corners. Interesting. Okay, right here I have a rhombus, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it also has 4 vertices. How cool, what a cool connection. All right, I have a square, and we talked about how it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. And then down here, let's see how many sides this shape has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, do you know what shape this is? Think about it. All right, let's see. It's a hexagon because it has 6 sides. Okay, now, do you notice any of these having the same number of sides so we could sort them? I see 4 over here, and this one also has 4. Now these do not have 4 sides. So what I could write on here is, I could write that it has 4 sides on this side. So I'm sorting by 4 sides and not 4 sides. And who remembers, what do we call a shape that has 4 sides? Does anybody remember? It's a big word. If you wrote it down, you probably know. It's quadrilateral. So we also could say that these are quadrilaterals and these are not quadrilaterals. So this is just one way that we could sort. Now let's talk about this for a second. I see 2 purple. And if I was going to sort, does the color purple help me know anything about these shapes? Because when we're going to classify and sort shapes, we want to do it based on attributes. And I know that's another big word, attribute. An attribute means it makes the shapes what they are. So, does the color red make this triangle a triangle? Or does the fact that we know that it's 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices make it a triangle? Let's keep looking here. So I see 2 purple shapes. Does the fact that this is purple make it a hexagon? And the fact that this is a square make it a square? That sounds kind of silly, right? Yeah, I think so. But the fact that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices are attributes that make a square a square. Okay, so I really like the way we sorted by 4 sides and not 4 sides, quadrilateral, not quadrilateral. Let's do a few more real quick. All right, let's do, I know this is a big pan here, guys. All right, I'm gonna have to scoot back a little bit for this one. Okay, so I want you to pause this video and I want you to sort by curved lines and straight lines. And just in case you can't see the shapes, we have a triangle, an oval, a circle, and a rectangle. So I would love for you, you can just draw it real quick on a piece of paper at home, but please pause and I want you to sort these shapes where you think that they would go. Okay, I hope you were able to pause and sort at home. So let's do it really quickly. So curved lines, let's see here. I see a circle has curved lines and so does an oval. Okay, and then straight lines, my triangle and my rectangle both have straight lines. All right, guys, let's do another one. This is so much fun, I love it. Okay, so we talked about the word congruent. And remember, congruent means same. So what I want to do now is I want to sort by congruent sides and not congruent sides. So sides that are the same length and sides that are different lengths. So let's look at some of these shapes here. We have a triangle, we have a rhombus, we have a trapezoid. I see right here this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, so it's a hexagon. And then, whoa, this is a weird shape. This is something that we would call an irregular shape. We're not used to seeing this one, right? But let's count the sides real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides, so it also would be a hexagon. It just looks kind of different. Now, what I would love for you to do is draw these shapes just on a piece of paper and then sort them by congruent side and non-congruent sides. So the same length and the same length of sides and not the same length of sides. And here, right here, just so y'all can see it real good. All right, you can pause this video and do your sorting. Okay, I hope you were able to pause and do the sorting. So let's do it real quick. So congruent sides, so we're looking for the same length. Let's look at this. Okay, this triangle, all three of them appear to have the same length, okay, for each side. Looking over here, I see this rhombus also has 4 sides that are congruent. They're all the same length. And so does this hexagon over here. It has 6 sides that are all the same length. But then this trapezoid, looking at this trapezoid, can you see that the top and the bottom, the top side and the bottom side, they're 2 different lengths, so it cannot have congruent sides. And this crazy hexagon over here definitely doesn't have all congruent sides. So we have the short little one here, the really long one down here, a short one here. We've got lots of things going on there. So I hope you were able to sort and see if yours matches mine. All right, boys and girls, I had so much fun doing shapes with you today. There are so many different ways that we could sort and we could classify all of these. And you can have fun doing it all week long on our District Distance Learning website. I hope you have a great rest of the day.